A Windows Server 2016 server that is running a server core installation does not have the Server Manager GUI, so you need to use alternative methods to install the files for the domain controller role and to install the domain controller role itself. You can use Server Manager, Windows PowerShell, or Remote Server Administration Tools, RSAT, installed on a client running Windows 8.1 or later. To install the ADDS files on the server, you can do one of the following. Use Server Manager to connect remotely to the server running the server core installation, and then install the ADDS role as described in the previous topic. Use the Windows PowerShell command install Windows feature AD domain services to install the files. After you install the ADDS files, you can complete the rest of the configuration process, except for the hardware installation and configuration, in one of the following ways. Use Server Manager to start the Active Directory Domain Services configuration wizard as described in the previous topic. Run the Windows PowerShell command install ADDS domain controller, supplying the required information on the command line. Note: in Windows Server 2016, running a command automatically loads the command's module, if it is available. For example, running the install ADDS domain controller command automatically loads the ADDS deployment module into your current Windows PowerShell session. If a module is not loaded or available, you will receive an error message when you run the command to indicate that it is not a valid command. You can still manually import the module that you need. However, in Windows Server 2016, you do so only when specifically necessary, such when you are pointing to a source to install the module. Additional reading. For more information on using the Windows PowerShell command install ADDS domain controller, refer to Install Active Directory Domain Services, Level 100, at http://aka.ms/a9jlvk. Additional reading. For more information, refer to ADDS deployment commands in Windows PowerShell at http://aka.ms/lnxifx.